Hi, I'm Chris from Broken Tractor. Today I'm explaining to you how to assemble a Case 580L, Super L, and Super M front planetary corner for a four-wheel drive. First I'll be starting with the planetary and then we'll move on to the spindle and the hub assembly. First I've started already with the planetary. I've installed two of the gears into the cover. What you do first you'll start with the thrust washer. You set it down inside. And then I've taken a gear, one of the planetary gears, and I always put some grease on the inside. Helps you hold the needles from falling as you install. Just saves you time. All the gears and needles are installed. Now we're putting the retaining plate and the three snap rings on to complete the planetary. Okay, now I'm going to install the bushing and the seals in the back of the swivel housing. I always use these bearing and seal installers. They work great, aluminum, they're handy to have a set of them. First I'll put the bushing in and then you'll move on to the seals. There's two different types of seals. There's the older style with the 65 millimeter and the later ones went to a 60 millimeter. You can tell by the tag number off of your axle to identify it in the breakdown and case to see which one you have. Off our website we have it listed by the sizes. If the parts have been replaced, it could be either or bearing or seal. I mean, well, what you do is you just take out your old one and measure it to be more precise. You know it's exactly what you have. I've already installed these here. The bushings in first and the seals in the second. This is the back side of the seal. You put the back side down. And this is also the back side. And I just use your drop installer and you're all set. Then the jam bolt and the nut here, you put those in and I always adjust them to the original, whatever I took out the backhoe I'm replacing it with. All right, I've already installed the seals and the bushing into the spindle here. Now I've also put the bearing on, press it down first, then I move on to the hub. The inner and outer races I've installed already, and the outer seal. The seal, this is the outside, and this is the back side, which goes down. So you install this just like that. I'll use a block of wood, press it down with that in a press, works the best. Or if you have the right size installers, that'll work awesome too. All right, now we'll put our hub. We got the races and the seals in onto our spindle. Push it down on there, and then we'll put our bearing in. We'll press the bearing down on, and then we'll move on to the hub. All right, now I've put these bushings installed, all 6 of them in the back hub gear. I just drive them in with a hammer. Once that's set, I install this inside the back of the ring gear and put the retaining clip in. Then I set it down, line your dowels up, and I usually just tap it down with a hammer. Now, just install your O-ring on the outer lip of the cover, and just line your holes up where the screw goes in to the outer hub. Do a little wiggle, keep line up, and that's it. That's ready to mount on the machine. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Chris from Broken Tractor. You can call us Monday through Friday, 800-909-7060, or check us out on our website. All these small parts are available, or the whole corner kits. You can hit us 24 hours on that.